Today we're going to look at the Bureau of Economic Analysis, which is part of the U.S. Department of Commerce. They have this cool section on their website called Interactive Data, which you can use to look at national data, industry data, international data, or even regional data. And no matter which one of these you choose, you're going to be able to filter out and look at only the information that you want to see. So we're going to start by taking a look at the industry data. We're just going to choose GDP by industry, and then hit begin using the data. So now it's going to tell you to select a GDP or industry table to display it or download all the tables as a zip file. And you could choose to see the annual tables or the quarterly tables, but we don't want to see everything all at once. That's too much information. We're going to just look at the gross output by industry. Gross output by industry, we're going to look at it annually, and boom, the annual gross output by industry from 2006 up through 2014. You can scroll through the whole list and see exactly the information that you want to see. So say you want to look at what the motion picture and sound recording industries are producing, you can do that. Very easy. So this is really cool information, but it's still just numbers on a screen. Let's make it a little bit more fun and easy to look at. We're going to hit chart up here. And now we're going to take a look at, let's compare the mining industries, manufacturing, and information industries. So by default, it's showing us a line chart. And you can scroll through and see exactly how many billions of dollars each industry is producing. We got mining down here in blue, information in green, and manufacturing in this orange color. Maybe line charts aren't your thing. Maybe you want a bar chart. The bar chart feature that they have on here is even easier to read. By scrolling over, you can see we're looking at in 2006 up at the top up here. And then it'll show you how many billions of dollars by scrolling over it exactly. So you don't have to guesstimate based on where it's showing up on the graph. So manufacturing in 2006 produced $5,052.8 billion. And if you ever want to go back to just looking at the table, all you got to do is hit the table button up here. It'll take you right back. Additionally, if you don't want to look at the entire table of information at once, you can hit modify. And it'll give you some more options for you to filter out the data in a little bit more easier readable way. So let's go ahead and look at 2012 in computer and electronic products. Refresh the table. And boom, there we go. It shows us exactly what we're looking for from 2012 up to the current year of computer and electronic products. If you want to change what sort of data set you're looking at, you got your categories up in the top here the entire time. You can switch easily from the GDP by industry to the national data of GDP and personal income if you want to. And it's going to work in the exact same way as it did before. For more help on using data sets and numbers in your reporting, go to businessjournalism.org.